Welcome to the Python tutorial lecture 8 part 2. In previous lecture we saw what is a tuple, how to assign a value in tuple, how to update or delete tuple in Python. In this lecture we will see some other operation on tuples. Let's take one by one. Now let's see some basic operation on tuples. There are some basic operations like check the length, how to merge a tuple, how to use repetition in tuples, and membership operation in tuple. For that, let's see some example. First of all, you have to pass out any tuple. Tuple 1 is equal to use small bracket, passed out any value for the tuple 1. Now if you want to find length of the tuple, what you have to write, you have to write simple len for length in small bracket, write down for what you want to find length. Here we want to find length for tuple 1, and here the length of the tuple 1 is 4. Now if you want to merge the tuple, let's see this example. For that, first of all you have to pass to tuple. Here I write tuple 1 is equal to small bracket, pass any value for that, and pass second tuple 2 is equal to, in small bracket, pass values for that. Now if you want to merge the tuple 1 and tuple 2, how you can do? You have to just write down tuple 1 plus sign tuple 2. It will merge your tuple 1 and tuple 2. Now you have to check how to repetition we can use in the tuple. Repetition in tuple. First of all, if I take example tuple 1, same as tuple 1 is equal to, write it in small bracket 7, 488, 55 and 55. If I want to use a repetition of this tuples object, you have to simply write down tuple 1 asterisk sign and how many times you want to repeat. Here I want to repeat twice, so I write 2. So output will be a 7, 488, 55, 58, and again it repeats 7, 488, 55 and 55. Now if you want to see a membership in tuple, so before that we have to just pass out any tuple. Here I passed out the same tuple 1 is equal to, in small bracket, 7, 488, 55 and 55. If you want to check the membership operation, if I want to check 7 in tuple 1 is there or not, so I have to simply write down 7 in tuple 1. So answer will be true because 7 is available in tuple 1. If I write 786 in tuple 1, so answer is false definitely because 786 is not present in that tuple. Now let's see some indexing, how indexing system work in the tuple. We already see the indexing system in list. Now let's see in tuples. Because the tuples are the sequence and indexing, that slicing works the same way for the tuple as do for the string. Now if I take an example, we pass the same value, tuple 1 is equal to, in small bracket, 7, 488, 55 and 55. If you want to find a zeroth position in tuple, you have to simply write down tuple 1 in square bracket, find position for that 0 here. What is the zeroth position here? Is the object is 7. The same way that will come for that 1, for that 1st position is 488, for that 2nd position is 55, and 3rd position also you can simply write 3 here, is also 55. If I write a -1 here, what it can do? For -1, it will start from that right side of that tuple's object. Here the most right side is 55. If I write tuple -3 here, what will be print? It will print 488, because -1 for 55, -2 for 55, -3 for 488, and -4 for 7. So here the indexing will start 0 from that left to right, 0 from starting from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes on. It will start from that left side, and from the minus it will start from the right side of the objects of the tuple, means from right side to left side. Now let's see some built-in tuple function. For that I have to just simply pass out tuples. Here I passed out tuple 1 as it is, and go for that tuple 2. Let's take some string here, string different object. First I take view, comma, second object is Zara, and third object if I take Jack. Here I just give the simple two different tuple. First is conducts only that digits, and second is string. Now if you want to find maximum from that tuple, how you can find maximum? You have to just simply write down max in small brackets tuple 1. What is the answer of that? Is 488 is the maximum amount in tuple 1. If you write max of tuple 2, it will print out the Zara. Here the maximum for that string is go for as a character wise, means A to Z. A go for that minimum value and Z for that maximum value. Here the maximum of the tuple 2 is Zara. The same way you can go for that minimum also. If you want to find minimum from that tuple, you have to simply write down min in small bracket, write down tuple 1. Here minimum of that tuple is 7, and the same way if you want to find minimum of that tuple 2, that will come as a Jack. Is alphabetical order, J is minimum than V and Z. That's all for that today's lecture. In the next lecture we will see the dictionary in Python. Thank you.